So is Workmines a scam? Can we actually now say that Workmines is a scam? Because I mean, it has been done for about what 2 to 5 days now, and it's not like right now. I'm just refreshing this browser, and you can see it's saying this site cannot be reached. But in my opinion, I would give this up to a month, and I'll tell you in this video why I would give this up to a month to actually come back online. So now, before we dive into this video, I just want to thank you for my new subscribers. I just saw that we actually got a subscribe on my channel. I'm very grateful for that. So if you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on notifications. I'll keep you updated with new ways of making money online that are much more fun and easier to do. Also, I just recently created a Telegram group. I realized that some of us are not really able to figure out some of the things on your own, so I just created a Telegram group where I help you one-on-one, or just let others who have gone through the process actually help you. So yeah, the link to the Telegram group is down below, and let's get into today's video. So right now I'm on Workmines website. If I just refresh this, as I say, it's giving this site cannot be reached error, so which means it's still down, we cannot reach it. But the reason why I would give this up to a month is because the potential on this is really high. Like, there's no other website that's doing this, that is giving 40 cents per video and allowing you to watch up to 100 videos a day. Was really like a lot, which is really a lot. Like, honestly, I'm willing to give this up to a month because so one of the reasons why I actually went in on Workmines, like I invested that $39 to upgrade to a student plan, was because of my experience with hashing airspace. Hashing airspace actually started by Luke Millard. So this guy, the reason behind this website is also just to advertise. So it's an advertising platform, same as Workmines. So I've been with hashing airspace since, I'll say, almost the beginning. I think I went in like 3-4 months later after the beginning, the initial launch date. Not actually the launch, like before when it just started, but it later launched. Like official launch was like, I think early this year, around January. So the Workmines is actually built around the same aspect of getting traffic to websites, advertising, being an advertising platform for different companies. So hashing airspace allows people, like just normal random people, to run their own ads every day. Like anybody can go on this website and just buy some products. So recently they actually added a new payment gateway, which is going to be Bitcoin. So hashing airspace actually notify you when they're about to go do upgrades and stuff like that, unlike Workmines where they give you notifications after the upgrade is already done. So that's what I'm just expecting from Workmines right now. Like, I know they're gonna give send out a notification when we are able to log back in, just describing what was happening and so forth. So I think with Workmines, it's just all about patience, because the earning potential is just too high. It's really amazing, and it's worth the wait. Right now, I mean, 40 cents per video is really great, and so yeah, it's another. Especially Workmines, I cannot say it will run out of business because it has clients like Netflix. So for it to run out of business, that means Netflix will have gone bankrupt, or it would have shut down, which is actually not possible. Looking at Netflix right now, it means one of those high, big ranked companies right now worldwide when it comes to entertainment world. Netflix is just one of those big, fast growing companies. So Workmines being built around that is actually just shows long-term business, that means long-term business for us, So I would say just, yeah, let's see what happens by end of this month of June. Let's see the beginning of July. And by the way, if you didn't see my video yesterday, I also released another video where I shared a notification about their second year celebration coming in July, whereby they're going to be giving all Workmines users an extra 100 videos per day for 5 days straight. That's an extra $200. That's actually another reason why I'm not really stressed, because I know that week I'm still gonna make the money that I've lost, even though there was a message circulating stating that they're gonna compensate the money that we should have earned on those days that they're actually offline. So either way, it's a win-win situation. It's all about waiting for them to come back online, of which I believe it will happen. I cannot really say when, but I know it will happen. Looking at Workmines and just my previous experience with websites like those, honestly, I can tell you it's going to come back online. I'm not saying it's not a scam. I'm also not saying it's a scam, but I'm just hoping for the best. Like you, just hoping for the best and make sure, hoping that it comes back online in time. But once it's back online, working from home, earning that much money every day, great potential. Anyways, so this video was just to update you on this. And okay, so my next video is actually going to be on hashing airspace, so just watch out for this. I'm going to review how you can actually start earning whilst we're waiting for Workmines to come back online. You can actually start earning Asimi token, which is just which is one of the new cryptocurrencies that hashing airspace is working on. Is built around. Hashing airspace is built around this token called Asimi token, which is their currency that they use. On Workmines we use we earn in like US dollars, and then you can convert to BTC. Here they basically use Asimi, which is withdrawable, and then you can trade it for Ethereum or Bitcoin in exchanges. So yeah, just watch out for this video. I think I'm gonna release it today as well, or tomorrow, I don't know. So yeah, just subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and join the Telegram group as well. I'm gonna be releasing new ways of making money there and just updating, helping everyone who's struggling, setting up some of the ways that I share with you on my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.